Have you ever wondered why some people are instantly respected, while others are ignored, even when they have great ideas? It's frustrating, right? You know you're smart, capable, and valuable. But no matter how hard you try, people just don't seem to see it. They dismiss your ideas. They interrupt you in conversations. They treat you like you're not important. Here's the truth. Respect isn't just given, it's earned. And often we sabotage our own credibility without even realizing it. Today, I'm revealing 4 toxic habits that might be making people underestimate you. The good news? You can fix them starting today. And when you do, you'll start seeing an instant shift in how people treat you. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, apologizing. Too much. Think about this. How often do you say, "I'm sorry," in situations where you don't even need to? Do you apologize when someone bumps into you, when you ask a question, when you simply express an opinion? If you're constantly saying sorry for things that don't require an apology, you're unintentionally diminishing your own presence. Over-apologizing makes you seem unsure of yourself, as if you're seeking permission to exist or validation for your words. And when people sense that lack of confidence, they start to treat you as someone who can be overlooked or underestimated. Unnecessary apologies send the message that you believe you are a burden. This can make others subconsciously perceive you as less assertive, less capable, and even less competent than you truly are. It also gives people the power to question your authority, making it harder for you to command respect in professional and personal interactions. To fix the habit of over-apologizing, start by replacing unnecessary apologies with gratitude. Instead of saying sorry for being late, say thank you for waiting. This simple shift changes your tone from one of guilt to one of appreciation, making you come across as more confident and in control. When you show gratitude instead of excessive remorse, people perceive you as someone who values their own presence rather than someone who constantly seeks approval. Another powerful way to break this habit is to pause before you apologize. Before saying "I'm sorry," ask yourself if you've actually done something wrong. If the answer is no, then there's no need to apologize. Rephrase your response in a more self-assured way. For example, if you interrupt someone by accident, instead of saying "sorry to interrupt," try "I'd like to add something here." This keeps the conversation flowing without making you sound unsure of yourself. Finally, be mindful of how you express your thoughts. Speaking with certainty can instantly change how others perceive you. Instead of saying, "I think this is a good idea," say, "I believe this is a good idea." This subtle shift makes your words more authoritative. Confidence isn't arrogance. It's about knowing your worth and ensuring that your words carry weight. Habit number 2, speaking too softly or hesitantly. Picture this. You're in a meeting and someone speaks in a low, hesitant voice, barely making eye contact. Their sentences trail off and they pepper their speech with and Do they sound like someone in control? Do they exude confidence? Probably not. Now, imagine someone who speaks clearly, with purpose, and at a steady pace. Even if they're saying the exact same words, their confidence makes them more persuasive and respected. People naturally assume they know what they're talking about. That's the power of your voice. Your tone, volume, and clarity determine how others perceive you. Speaking too softly, mumbling, or hesitating too much can make you seem unsure of yourself, even when you're not. Unfortunately, this makes it easy for others to overlook you, interrupt you, or dismiss your ideas. To fix the habit of speaking too softly or hesitantly, start by consciously increasing your volume. This doesn't mean shouting. It means projecting your voice so that it carries naturally and commands attention. Speaking slightly louder than you're used to makes you sound more confident and assertive. People are more likely to take you seriously when they can hear you clearly without straining. A strong voice signals authority, while a weak or hesitant one can make you seem unsure of yourself. Another effective way to improve your speech is to record yourself speaking. Listening to a playback allows you to identify areas where you may be using too many filler words like and These words can make you sound uncertain and diminish the impact of your message. The first step to eliminating them is simply becoming aware of how often you use them. With practice, you can replace these unnecessary fillers with purposeful pauses. Silence, when used correctly, is powerful. Instead of filling gaps with nervous sounds, take a deliberate pause. It shows control, confidence, and presence. When you learn to own your voice, You naturally gain authority in conversations. Speak with intention, and people will listen. Habit number 3, avoiding eye contact. Let's be real, eye contact can feel uncomfortable, especially if you're nervous or unsure of yourself. But avoiding it altogether sends the wrong message. It makes you seem insecure, untrustworthy, or even disinterested. Think about the last time you spoke to someone who kept looking away. Did they seem confident? Probably not. Now imagine someone who maintains steady eye contact while speaking. They immediately appear more self-assured and credible. That's because eye contact is one of the strongest non-verbal signals of confidence and authority. Research shows that people who hold strong eye contact are perceived as more competent, persuasive, and even more likable. It signals that you are present in the moment, engaged in the conversation, and sure of yourself. On the other hand, shifting your gaze too often can make you seem unsure, as if you're looking for an escape. To fix the habit of avoiding eye contact, start by aiming for around 70% eye contact during conversations. This balance keeps you engaged without making the interaction feel too intense or uncomfortable. Maintaining steady but natural eye contact helps establish trust and confidence, making others more likely to take you seriously. People subconsciously respect and pay more attention to those who can hold their gaze without seeming nervous or distracted. If direct eye contact feels overwhelming, try using the triangle technique. Instead of looking directly into someone's eyes, focus on the space between their eyes or the bridge of their nose. To the other person, it feels just like eye contact, but it may feel easier for you to maintain. This technique helps you appear more confident without feeling pressured. Another great way to improve is by practicing with a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror, speak to yourself, and hold steady eye contact as you talk. This simple exercise helps build familiarity and comfort, making it easier to maintain eye contact in real conversations. Good eye contact commands respect. It tells people, "I'm here, I'm confident, I belong." When you master this skill, you'll naturally exude more authority and presence in any situation. Habit number 4, being indecisive. This is a big one. Nothing makes people lose confidence in you faster than indecisiveness. Imagine a leader who constantly says, "I don't know, whatever you guys think." Would you trust them to make important decisions? Probably not. Indecision signals a lack of confidence and direction, making it hard for others to take you seriously. Being decisive doesn't mean you need to have all the answers. It simply means making choices with conviction. When you hesitate too much, people start to assume you lack knowledge or ability, even when that's not true. Worse, it gives others the chance to take control, leaving you sidelined in conversations, relationships, and even career opportunities. Decisive people command respect. They show they trust themselves, which naturally makes others trust them too. When you confidently make a decision, even a small one, people see you as someone who takes charge. To fix the habit of indecisiveness, start by letting go of the need for perfection. Overanalyzing every choice only leads to hesitation, making you appear unsure of yourself. Instead of aiming for a flawless decision, focus on making progress. The more you overthink, the harder it becomes to take action, which weakens your presence and makes others doubt your ability to lead. The key is to make a decision and move forward with confidence. Another powerful mindset shift is to reframe uncertainty in a way that sounds confident. Instead of saying, "I don't know," try, "I don't have the full answer yet, but here's what I suggest." This small change makes you sound more assured and proactive. People respect those who can navigate uncertainty with a sense of control, rather than those who freeze in the face of it. Above all, trust yourself. Decision-making is a skill that improves with practice. The more choices you make, the stronger your intuition becomes. Even if a decision doesn't turn out perfectly, you will gain valuable experience that makes you better over time. People respect those who take charge, even in small ways. Confidence isn't about always being right. It's about trusting yourself to handle whatever comes next. Here's the bottom line. Respect starts with you. If you let these habits control your life, people will continue to underestimate you. But once you break free from them, you'll notice a powerful shift in how people perceive you, and more importantly, how you perceive yourself. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these habits do you struggle with the most? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another life-changing video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.